Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Falcon. I'm going to read you a story today and then have you do something really fun. Hopefully it's sunny on the day that you're doing this because you're going to take a nature walk. But let me read the story first and then I'll explain to you about the nature walk. This is called Grow, Flower, Grow. Oh, that's cute. Isn't that cute? Okay. Grow, flower, grow. One day, Fran found a flower pot filled with soil. Poking out of the top was a tiny green tip. I will grow this flower, Fran said to Fred. I bet Fred is that little dog. Okay. She took it home. Grow, flower, she said, but the tip stayed tiny. I think this flower is hungry, Fran said. So Fran went to the fridge. Inside, she found some of her favorite food. She gave the flower a slice of pizza. The next day, Fran gave it a piece of cheeseburger. That's cute. Then she gave it spaghetti, 2 chocolate chip cookies, and a large spoonful of strawberry ice cream. She even gave it one of Fred's juicy bones. But the flower didn't grow. The tip stayed tiny. Fran got fed up. That means mad. Silly flower, Fran said, and she threw it out the back door. The flower pot fell onto the ground and rolled away. The rain fell on it. The wind blew on it. The sun shone on it. Finally, the tiny green tip grew and grew and grew until one day Fran and Fred went outside to play. When they opened the door, a surprise was waiting. A big, beautiful flower just for Fran and Fred. Very nice. Why do you think the flower finally grew? It didn't need a slice of pizza. It needed some water from the rain, and it needed some sunshine to grow. Okay, so boys and girls, now your parents maybe can print this out for you, and you can take it outside. You'll maybe need a clipboard and something to write with, and you're gonna check off the things that you find on your list. So there are different pictures. The first one is dirt, a leaf, flower, spider, butterfly, mushroom, worm, bird, ant, bee, squirrel, sprout, tree, cloud, and grass. And you make a check by each of these items that you see on your nature walk. Have fun with that. We miss you. We love you. Bye-bye.